category, definition, category in a sentence, category pronunciation, category meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of category. 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 Category as a noun means a group that has enough shared characteristics to be clearly distinguishable from other groups. Common usages in academic writing: two main categories, fit into a category, each category. The categories are shown in the graph. Example sentence: category, noun. The participants are split into 5 categories based on their total scores. The common academic writing variation is categorize, verb. The species were then categorized by weight and separated into one of 5 groups. Please write a sentence using category in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use category confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.